This is a lemon pasta. Hello everyone, welcome to Tim and Rina's Italian Lifestyle. Today I have a very simple dish for you. It's called lemon pasta. Mincing garlic, rosemary. This is new to this recipe, but you know me, a rule breaker. Pasta, spaghetti, whatever size you want, but I prefer today's spaghetti because the sauce coating every strand of spaghetti. Spaghetti is boiling already. It's ready to cook, and then we can proceed to make the sauce. Do make sure you cook the pasta. Your pasta is cooking before you start making the sauce, because the sauce is cooked at no time at all. Lemon juice, squeeze. We need this for the sauce. Olive oil. Be generous. Come on, this is a good olive oil. About 3 tablespoons, even more. So we are making sauce now. We put the rosemary first before garlic. So because we want that to release the oil from rosemary and keep moving. I'm sorry that you cannot smell it. The smell of rosemary is enticing. Garlic mix. Make sure you don't burn them. Soft, well, as soon as it gets soft, you can press yours with fork and see lemon. I'm wearing sunshine. That's the lemon juice. And in comes, and this is the spaghetti. Put it on. And we need a ladle of pasta water. A bit more. And we're almost ready. Parmesan cheese. And my friend, this is it. This is basically it. We need salt and pepper to taste, but basically done. Good. It's delicious. The lemon and rosemary are really standing out. Although it doesn't have very much ingredients here, that's why it's really good, because they're really blending all one another. Put the lemon zest and the juice to claim the lemon pasta. For pasta al limone or lemon pasta, this is fantastic because of the rosemary. Rosemary makes it different and it is delicious. Try it. And please don't forget to subscribe. This is Tim and Rina's Italian Lifestyle. This is a lemon pasta. Lemon spaghetti. It's made from red lentil, so it's lighter, and let me taste it for you.